What's happening, party people? This is your guy Damien, and today we're going to do the interior of a 2010 Honda Accord. It's pretty bad, but it's not horrendous. But I'm going to show you guys this because I want to get right to it. So, let's see what we got here. Oh, let me put my glasses down. Okay. It's just a bunch of garbage in here for the most part, but I took the seats out, so looks pretty bad. We're gonna vacuum that up. We're gonna do some extracting. We're gonna do some interior wipe down, of course. We're gonna get it taken care of. Just a little dusty up there. Yeah, so we're gonna get all this garbage out. Then we're gonna vacuum. We're gonna fix that rug over there, and then we're gonna extract, and then clean down the door panels and the dash and steering wheel and everything, and we'll be all good to go. So I'd like to thank everybody for subbing to my channel and keep watching my videos. I appreciate that very much. And for new subs, thank you for joining. And for old subs, thank you for watching. But we're going to get right to this, and then I'm going to give you guys the finished product. I'm not going to do the outside, I'm just going to do the inside. I'll give you guys an outside wash one day, but as of right now, I'll just hold off on that. But let's get started.
Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Okay, done with the vacuuming. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Looks like most of the dirt is more than likely going to be on the sides, but that's okay. That's some water right there. But we got a good amount of stains. We're going to take care of that. It's going to be all good. Then we're going to clean and wipe down all of that. But let's see, where's my lighting at? Yeah. All right, so we'll go ahead and take care of that and be right back with you. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a dump right now because my tank got full. It's dirty. Let's get back to it. people, we are done with the interior. But let me give you this dump. This was the remaining dump of the floor mats that I did. I had to do 2 dumps with the floor mats because they were that bad. But let's see. Look at that. Okay. So, now that that's done, let's go ahead and take you around and see how it looks. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Clean up in there, yeah. Look at all that, yeah. Clean the seats, yeah, look at it. Mm-hmm. Come around this way. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Nice and clean, yeah. Okay, so let's check out these floor mats. They're black, but they cleaned a little red stain right there, but I did the best I could on that, you know. Put a lot of stuff on there. But these mats were ridiculously filthy. Okay, so basically I took care of all of it. I have one project coming up. It's actually a Suburban. I'm not sure what year, but I believe it's in the 90s. It's big, but it doesn't look bad. So whenever I get that and how weather is, I'll put that on the channel also. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please like these, subscribe to these, and even comment. Positive comments, of course. Anything negative, I could take it, but I'd rather not have negative. So thank you guys for watching, and I keep bringing the content to you.